concept, we need to understand what is sorting, how much time it takes, which one is better. Okay, we need to, these type of questions they will ask. Okay, which sorting algorithm is speed, quick sort, right? Explain that. That is also. And you need to check why it is what is the time complexity. What is the time complexity? You may get the questions from the sorting topic. These type of questions. What is the time complexity? What is time complexity? Which sorting algorithm is speed? Why? What is the reason? Okay. This type of question they may ask from sorting. And searching also. What is the two types of searching? We have two. One is linear searching, and second one is what? Binary. Linear and binary. What is mean by linear? Linear means, line. Okay, how we checks the elements, right? Linear searching, how to find the position of those elements, whether it is that element is found or not. Okay, we need to check in this linear searching and binary searching. First one is we check it linear searching. Simple. This is also, both are simple only. Sorting and searching also simple. Learn sorting technique. Anyone, they will ask. They won't ask any specific program. Okay. Sort the elements. They give an array. Sort the elements. You can write any one program. Okay. Sorting any one technique you can use. They won't consider or write only bubble sort. They won't ask for any sort. Right. Right. Sort the elements. Same way in this searching they may ask linear searching is easy, they may ask binary searching. Okay, write a binary searching program. Okay, see guys, what is linear searching? We need to search the elements one by one. Example, if I give enter the elements, I have given the elements like this: 5, 10, 3, and 21 and 26. If I if I enter the elements for 21, if I enter the 21, find out 21, whether it is 21 is find or not. First, how to check? First element with search element you need to check, and next element you need to check, and next element you need to check. Okay, and next element you need to check. Okay, in this one sorting, best case, average case, okay, and worst case will be there. Example, first if I give the first element is 5, if I give the first element is 5, find out element 5. Okay, if you check the first element only, that is the first element, right? That is a what is that? Best case or worst case or average case? If element is there here first in first position only, no need to check the all elements. No need to check the all elements. If I check the all elements, right, that is the worst case, right? You found here only. We find here only. That is okay. If element is here found, that is we need to check all elements. Okay, if somewhere this is what is the best case? Okay, what is the worst case? What is the average case? If middle it is found, that is a average case. Okay, average case. If you found here, that is what? Best case. If I found here, that is a worst case. In worst case scenario, always you have to tell me what is worst case. Okay, you when we are checking with all elements, when you are checking with all elements, if last element is your search element, right? It is worst case. Okay, this is average case. Okay, and what is best case? In best case scenario, best case scenario means if 10 elements are there, no need, element is found at the first position, element found at the first position, that is the best case. No need to check all elements, right? Okay, that is the worst case. Means in worst case scenario means if element is the last position, then how to do? Okay, average case scenario, this is average case. Okay, see, you understood, right? What is the worst case, what is the average case, what is the best case, right? In searching and sorting technology, they uses these type of words: worst case, average case, and best case. Worst case, average case, and best case, right? If somewhere you found this element that is middle, that is a average case, best case, and worst case. These are the cases will be there. Okay, so linear searching we'll discuss. We write a program for this linear searching. Okay, what is time complexity also we can tell. See, what is best case time complexity? If found at the first position only. Okay, found at middle position. If found at last position. what is the best case, what is average case. Okay, see. Okay, found at the first position. If found at first position, what will happen? First position means order of one only, right? This is a found at first position. Okay, if a element found at first position, that is order of one. Order of one. Okay, found at middle, that is order of n. This order of n. Found at last position also, that is also order of n. Order of n. And the average case and worst case both will be same. In this case, first case means order of one. Okay, yeah. See, how to search the element. Linear search. Void main program execution always starts from main. We need to take elements from the user. Take 5 elements or 10 elements. Now I am taking 5 elements, guys, and also search element and also found. Found element I have taken 0. Found or flag. Normally they treat as flag. Flag is 0. First I have taken flag is 0. If it is found, changes to, if it is found, changes to 1. Okay, I have taken clear screen, it removes the previous output. First check the elements, read elements. How to read element? I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. Okay, read elements. How to read? Scanf, we can take scanf of percentile d and address of AR5. Address of AR5. That is, we can read these elements. 5 elements we can read. Okay, here give one message, enter array elements. Now I am giving enter array elements. Enter array elements. Okay, how to enter the array elements? That is the way you can enter. First search the element. From first element onwards you need to check I less than 5, I plus plus. One by one element you have to check. Okay, if a of I equals to such element. Okay, you did not enter such element, you need to enter. After entering, write here flag equals to, we need to write flag equals to 1 and break. Whenever it is found, break. Okay, if it is found, break. Are you following? Flag is 1. Okay, here we have to write if flag is, if here we need to write in that position only we can write flag is 1, and here element found it. Here we can write printf found element found it, element found at percentile d location. Percentile d location. What is that percentile d location? We can write that I location. Okay, a of I, that location we can write. Which element? We can write that a of I is found at percentile d found at. What is that percentile d found? A of I is found at I position. Okay, see this. Yeah, guys, see, if element is found, if this condition is found, percentile found at percentile location, right? Now if it is not found, what will happen? Flag will be 0. That condition also we need to write, right here. After that, after the loop, I want to write that if it is not found. How can you say if it is not found? If flag is 0, sorry, if flag equals to 0, if it is found, we made 2, that is 1. Okay, if it's 0, here you can write printf of element not found. Two cases, element not found. See, guys, we execute this program, get ch close. Okay, save as .c extension, linear search .c. Enter the 5 array elements 5, 10, 21, 4, and 15. Now I will enter 4. Sorry, you did not read that element. Okay, enter the search element also. Printf enter search element. Okay, how to enter search element? We need to enter scanf percent garbage value it takes otherwise. Okay, that's why not found it is showing. Yes, see, enter the this element also. Okay, first enter the array elements, after that enter the search element also. We need to take search element also, enter those elements. Okay, 12, 24, 15 and 4 and 23. Enter search element 4. 4 found at third location, a of third. Okay, here if you want a of 3, here you can write found at a of percentile location, a of percentile. See guys, enter the 5 elements 3, 21, 23, 14 and 7 and 15. Enter the element is 15. Okay, 15 found at a of fourth location. If it is not found, then how to write? Okay, 12, 3, 7 and 16, 25. Enter 50. There is no 50, right? Element not found. Guys, right? This is a linear search. Okay, guys, write this program. It linearly, okay, linear fashion you are searching the elements. You understood, right? Flag here, don't write guys, else part directly. If a equals to it's found, else not found, don't write. You should not write like that.